Pasadikena Sampadetha Pasadikena Sampadetha Shanagavodi.
When the first shall may I request to relinquish my duties towards Shadong in order that I may practice Samatha Vipassana meditation diligently. I also like to relinquish service duties towards me in order that I may practice Samatha Vipassana meditation diligently.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Exhale. Tanga Myasong Yarana Uswato Yanaro Myatomba Poundua Yuti Myano Leso Muivi Shiko Buzo Bunyo Mansho Parajaya To Tegaza Garwa Panama Kamugutukan Sirana Dunindagwa Nezenga Sayanija Nizene Myapilo Atola Gajato Kudu Kamu Suzuro Jao Yadya Tanga Yarna Myatumba Amiga Siadamaro Po Nai Pimamigado Kayakan Wazikam Nokan Pimyashigado Tobieto di Kimbio Cho Nye Yu Tinja Gundi Piwi Tawalong Tia Song Api Chantinjwa Ninanja Pilien Mo Manamatia Mamyane Bangu Chanda Do Kujan Dea Labudo Atinyan Rupien Lem Mian Mian Yalwe Yalwe Mimapula Nanja Basi Yamadami Damwadita Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Saranam Gacchami Dhammam Saranam Gacchami Sangham Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Buddham Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Dhammam Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Sangham Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Buddham Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Dhammam Saranam Gacchami Dutiyampi Sangham Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Buddham Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Dhammam Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Sangham Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Buddham Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Dhammam Saranam Gacchami Tatiyampi Sangham Saranam Gacchami Ti Sarana Gamana Paripurna Tisarani Saha Dasa Pabeja Sila Athenga Samanagata Ubosatha Sila Dhamma Sadhugang Katawa Apamati Na Sampaditha. Let's start our Dhamma discussion by reciting our Dasa 3 times together. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Metta, no? How shall Vyajidi Beyange Masidri Sesayage Masidri Kosayage Masidri ရွယ်ဆောင်နိုင်ပါစေတည်းအာဆရာတော်ဘုရားကြီးသည်ဘေးရန်ကင်းပါစေတည်းချိန်ဆင်းရဲကင်းပါစေတည်းကိုယ်ဆင်းရဲကင်းပါစေတည်းချမ်းသာမာမာချမ်းသာသာဖြင့်သာသနာဝန်ကိုခန္ဓာဝန်ကိုရွယ်ဆောင်နိုင်ပါစေတည်းသာဓုသာဓုသာဓု Today is New Year's Day, the New Year's 2026. So, do you want any the Dhamma gift for the New Year? 2025. 2025 year is ended. During the 2025, there were a lot of suffering in the world. Many people experienced a lot of suffering in 2025. There are also a lot of wars in the world. They also experience a lot of disasters, shortage of food, many pandemic, different kinds of diseases, Satandrakapa, the catastrophe of the weapons. Using very powerful weapons, they also fight each other during the war. Many people also died. Because of this, they have not enough food to eat in the world. They don't have enough medicines for their treatment. They don't have enough medical doctor for their treatment, etc. Then a lot of flood in the world, earthquake, and also in 2025. So they have experienced a lot of suffering, a lot of dukkha in 2025. Generally, when we see the war, generally they experienced a lot of sufferings. So, do you want to experience such kinds of suffering in 2026? Huh? No. Okay. No one wants to experience such kinds of sufferings, dukkha, in 2026. So if you don't want to experience such kinds of suffering in 2026, then we should try to follow the Buddha's teaching. You should try to fulfill, to have blessings taught by the Buddha and Mangala Sutta. Is it? Yeah. Myanmar and English together, no? Okay. Kena see, no? Kena sure. That's not sure, is it? Yeah. Oh, only this one, maybe the other one cannot, no? Shouldn't PowerPoint can PowerPoint in my pialomia. Can look at that PowerPoint. Oh, yeah, no? The 38 kinds of Mangalas, blessings. Don't they shift your Mangala? Then if you can fulfill to have the 38 kinds of blessings, then you will experience only good things. Although the world is experiencing suffering in general, for you, okay, you will experience Mangala blessings in your life or in the 2026. Okay, what are the blessings Mangala taught by the Buddha? Asivanaja balana Pandita ninja sivana Puja ja puja niyana Eda Mangala Modama. Not to associate with the fool, to associate with the wise, to honor, to respect those who are worthy of honor, those who are worthy of respect. These are the supreme blessings. Hey, Nyama, Miyala. Adevana Sapalana, Myanmar person, a colon Yabida. Most of the Myanmar people, they understand the 38 kinds of Mangala blessings. Since they are young, they have learned 38 kinds of blessings with the poem, verse, written by Dagong Utomye. They are very useful. If someone memorizes those kinds of poems, verse, then they can understand all Mangala. So for Myanmar, no need to explain in detail. If we recite this, then they understand. Adevanasa Palanana Lumai Solin Shaundwe Luelo Mamiwene Ken Aune Pinya Shigo Ashi Duelo Miwe Sika Niuze Tomba Yerana Miwa Mianin Siadamago Buzole Chanda Gobe Sesanye Nyodwe Tonjebe Edama Buddha Wada Gava Mangala Dwe Era Myanmar they understand what is the meaning of those Mangala and Asivanaja Palana Gatha. Number 1. Asivanaja Balana, the Buddha instructed you not to associate with the fool. Who are the foolish? You know, Yekeji Panadi Padadi Agusala Kama Pata Samanagata Sata. You know, Bala, Balandi. Asasanditi Bala. They are alive only with their breathing. They have no wisdom. They are Bala. The Bala, they are killing living beings. You see, many people around the world, they are killing living beings, even human beings, with a lot of weapons. So they are Bala or Pandita? Okay, they are Bala. If they are killing living being, if they are stealing others' property, what is not given? Adinatana. Kamisu Mesas Chara, if they are doing such a misconduct, then Musa Waza, Pisuna Waza, Frusa Waza, Sampapalapa, Waji Dojirita. Then Abeja, Pyabada, Mecha Deti, Manodo Jirita. If they are doing these 10 kinds of Agusala Kamapata, then they are Bala. You can also see whether they are Bala or Pandita. Do Chendita Chendi. They are thinking badly. Do Basita Basi, they are speaking badly. Dogata Kamagari, they are doing badly, bad actions. So, okay, you don't need to ask anyone. They are Bala, foolish. They are foolish persons. So, if they are foolish person, Bala, not to associate with the foolish, okay? You should avoid such kinds of person very far away. Don't associate with such kinds of person. Then if you can avoid without associating with such kinds of person, you have supreme blessing, Mangala. Otherwise, you have Amangala. Okay? You will also follow the Bala's way. That is why, then what will happen? When you kill living being, when you take others' property, what is not given, etc., then Bala will go to lower ranks, such as hell or animal kingdom, hungry ghost, etc. Then in the same way, then you will also go there like the same way. That is why you should not associate with the foolish person. There will be supreme blessing, number one. Number two, only briefly, no? Then later I will come detail maybe next time. But now only briefly. Pandita Ninja Sivana, to associate with the wise. Okay, the wise is the opposite of the Bala. Panati Pada Viramani, they are abstaining from killing living being. They abstain from taking others' property, what is not given. They abstain from doing such misconduct, they abstain from lying, etc. Then if they are abstaining from such kinds of bad actions, then what will happen? They are called Pandita. Who are they? Like Buddha, Pacheka Buddha, the Buddha's good disciples, such kinds of person. Then they are Pandita. Okay. If you meet with the Pandita, then you should associate with the wise, such kinds of person. Then because of avoiding or doing bad actions, Kaya Dojirita, Vaji Dojirita, Mano Dojirita, then they will probably experience many good things in this present life. Then they will be reborn in good realms after death. Data Dhammika Samprayika Atta. Data Dhammika, they will also experience many good things in this present life. Samprayika, they will be reborn in good realms, such as human being or Deva after death. That is why then you should follow Pandita, you should associate with the wise person. Then there will be supreme blessings. Pujaja Puja Niyana, to honor those who are worthy of honor, to respect those who are worthy of respect. Then, okay, roughly, like Buddha, Pacheka Buddha, the Buddha's Savakas who have Sila. Okay. Also, for example, your parents, your mother, your father, your brother, sister, also your teacher, etc. They are respected person. You should respect them. You show honor to them. Then puja nyana, to honor those who are worthy of honor, to respect those who are worthy of those who are worthy of respect. Then there will be supreme blessings. That means, okay, they are Buddha, Pacheka Buddha, like Arahanta or the noble person, even the Sangha who are maintaining the pure morality, your parents, etc. Then what will happen? If you don't respect them, if you don't honor to them, so what will happen? Then what will happen? You will accumulate akusala towards them. At that time, it will produce its results to be reborn in lower realms. Then you will also experience a lot of suffering in this present life. That is why you should honor to those who are worthy of honor. You should respect to those who are worthy of respect. Then there will be supreme blessings. You will be able to avoid Asivanaja Palana, remember no? Three mangalas. Okay, another stanza. Patirupa Desa Vasocha Pobeja Gata Ponyata Ada Sama Panidija Eta Mangala Motaman. Myanmar Bas first, okay? Kudo Pianya Osa Yabo Tenya Deda Amieni Shega Tenjo Puga Buddhi Kamu Atu Shivase Mimi Gogo Ka on Tenglo Matenzi Ne Saudile Osa Gobe Netaye Myodwe Tonjepe Edama Buddha Wada Gaba Mangala Dwe. Then they understand. Very easy to remember, is it? Patirupa Desa Vasocha, to dwell in suitable location. Pobeja Gata Ponyata, to have done good deeds in the past. Ada Sama Panidisa, to be in the right path. Properly keep one's mind and body in the right path. These are the supreme blessings. Patirupa Desa Vasocha, you should dwell in suitable place. What are suitable place? Suitable place. Kudo Pinya Osa Yabo Kusala. You want to accumulate the Dana Kusala? Sila Kusala, Bhavana Kusala. Then which place will be suitable? Okay, where there's a Buddha dispensation, this place is suitable. Like such kinds of meditation center. Dana, you want to offer 4 requisites to the Sangha, you have opportunity to offer, to accumulate Dana Kusala. Sila, you want to maintain 5 precepts, you have good opportunity. You want to maintain 8 precepts, 10 precepts, Bhikkhu precepts, you have good opportunity in such kinds of place. Is it? You want to practice meditation, very good opportunity. But you stay in your country without meditation center, without teacher, you cannot practice. You don't have such kinds of opportunity. Is it? That is why if you wish to accumulate kusala more and more until you attain Nibbana, you should dwell in suitable location. Suitable location means briefly where there is a Buddha dispensation, this place is a suitable place, Patirupa Tawada. Then, where there are Buddha, Vijayaka Buddha, Buddha's disciples, etc., or they are suitable locations. You know, some Upasaka, Upasika says, they are from Buddhist country, our country, like Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, etc. They went to Euro country to stay there for some time. after some time they are not happy. Why? They want to accumulate kusala, they want to meet with the Sangha. They have no opportunity to offer foods to the Sangha, many Sangha. Very rare. They want to maintain 5 precepts, they want to practice samatha, vipassana, meditation, etc. Then very difficult. Very difficult. Why? Sometimes we went there for meditation retreat. Although they wish to practice meditation, but they cannot stay without walking. They need to walk for every day, the whole year like this. They need to make money for their livelihood. Very difficult. Here, you are only living here and practice meditation. You don't need to find money. Is it? Money are supporting you. Although you are living here for a whole year, you don't need to pay for kuti. You don't need to pay for electricity, food. You just practice meditation. Why you are lazy? To me, don't be lazy. Then Padirupa Dita was also to dwell in suitable location. That is also supreme blessings. Okay? Remember. Then me for layperson, those who wish to find the money, they want to make business. Okay, there is a which place is suitable for doing the business, you can find no problem. But especially for accumulating of kusala, that is the most important. For example, the other country, it is better to make business. You can go and find money, no problem. But making money is not sufficient for your life. That is why you have to accumulate. Especially, you will have to practice samatha vipassana, meditation. To be able to practice meditation, okay, the place where there is a Buddha dispensation, this place is the best. So there will be, when you are living in a suitable location, where you can accumulate dana, sila, bhavana until you realize nibbana, then you will have supreme blessing, mangala. Remember? Kudo pinya, osayabu, okay pinya. You want to study in Oxford University, Cambridge, or okay any university, then you can go and study, no problem. Then you will be suitable place for education. Osa, okay, you want to make business, you can go there, no problem. But for kusala, okay, where there's a Buddha dispensation, this place is the best place. You can accumulate until you realize Nibbana, until the highest kusala, okay? Another one, number 5. Pokbeja gata punyata, to have done good deed in the past. To have done good deed in the past. It is also supreme blessing. You know, Pokbeja gata punyata, you have done good deed in the past under the Buddha or Pejika Buddha or Arahanta, noble person or good person, etc. By making the aspirations to realize Nibbana in the future. Because of this kusala, it will suppose you to realize Nibbana in this present life easily. Then if you are accumulating kusala, you are practicing meditation, you have a lot of difficulty, you cannot realize Nibbana, then your kusala is not sufficient. That you have done in the past, you have some kusala, because of this you have opportunity to accumulate many kusala, but still not sufficient yet. That is why, for example, you have already practiced samatha vipassana meditation successfully in the past under the Buddha or Pejika Buddha or the noble person, etc. with the intention to realize Nibbana. But you haven't realized Nibbana in the past yet. But here will be easiest to realize Nibbana in this way. That is why Pubeja Gata Punyata, to have done good deed in the past is also supreme blessing. Okay, if you don't have yet, trying to accumulate now. Then in the future will be easier for you to realize Nibbana. Is it? Don't be lazy. Number 6. Adda Samapanidisa. To be on the right path. Properly keep one's mind and body in the right path. Adda Samapanidi is also very important. Sometimes they have opportunity to realize Nibbana in this present life, but they associate with the foolish. They finish like Ajatasattu. Ajatasattu can become Sotapanna after listening to Samanya Phala Sutta. But he associate with the Devadatta. Because of Devadatta's encouragement, he killed his father. Then this killing father, Pitukaraka Kama, prevented his attainment. He couldn't attain any attainment. Something like that. That is why you need to maintain your mind and body properly. How to maintain? For example, here, according to commentary explanation, you don't have sila yet. Even you cannot keep 5 precepts. Trying to maintain 5 precepts, not to break. That means you are keeping your mind and body rightly. Understand? You don't have sila yet, you maintain sila. Trying to maintain sila, not to break. At least 5 precepts. Most of them, when you were a lay person, very difficult to maintain. But now you are a Sayale, you are a meditator, automatically maintain 5 precepts. Not only 5 precepts, 8 precepts, 10 precepts. Sometimes only fighting each other, is it? Okay, that is why there is also Adda Samapaniti. But you need to keep maintain your sila. Another one, you don't have Saddha, confidence or faith in the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, etc. You try to have Saddha. If you have strong Saddha, you will accumulate many kusala. You are practicing Samatha Vipassana meditation, you have many difficulties, but you will never stop. In this way, what will happen? Then you are maintaining your mind and body rightly because of Saddha. That means if you don't have Saddha yet, trying to have Saddha. Okay, you are very sticky, very very stingy before. Okay, now trying to have generosity. You should try to be generous. Trying to give something to others. Don't be sticky, don't be stingy. Then there will be also Adda Samapaniti. Sometimes need to maintain. There is also very important. There is a commentary explanation. For example, now you are a Sayale, you are a meditator, you are practicing Samatha Vipassana meditation. Okay, you don't maintain your right condition. Okay, you go out or you disrupt something like this. Sure, you have no opportunity to practice meditation. Even you cannot keep 5 precepts, it will be very difficult. That is why you have such kinds of good condition, you need to maintain. Okay, you need to maintain this condition, not to drop down. There will be Adda Samapaniti. For example, okay, briefly, Devadatta, he have even jhana attainment, abhiññana attainment. Even he can create many body, he can fly in the sky at the beginning. But he couldn't maintain his right condition. Then he trying to give the Buddha, etc. What happened? Then all of his attainment also disappear. Finally, he also fell into the Avijja. Now he is still in Avijja. Something like this. That is why keeping mind and body rightly is also supreme blessing. If you have been done in 2025,
这是非常重要的。
On what? For what? Is it? Then okay, in 2026 onward, then you should try to maintain your mind and body rightly. Okay, there will be Adha Samapanniti. Another one. Once more. Another stanza, no? Bahu sesinja sepinja winayoja susekito subhasita ja yawaja edamengla mukdaman. Takam daya udamya go jamin duda shivase. O indi thang wanza yene adem mwebo adatem le. လူနဲ့ဆိုင်ရာကျင့်ဝတ်များကိုကောင်းစွာသင်ကြားနားလည်စေမှန်ကန်ရင်ကျက်ချိုတာအေးဆိုရတတ်ပါစေအဲ့ဒါမှဗုဒ္ဓဝါဒကဗ္ဗမင်္ဂလာတွေ Number 7 no baho sesinja to have good education or good knowledge, much education or much knowledge. Bahu se senja.
就是要得到好的教育，要多学习这种知识的经验。
Very small, no? To have good education or good knowledge, much education or much knowledge. Okay. For example, you are Agariya and Nagariya. Agariya. Takam Daya. Then sure you should learn. You should have many knowledge and good things, suitable things for your livelihood or your life, etc. For Bhikkhu, sure, Pariyati Bhusutta, Patipati Bhusutta. You should also try to learn the Buddha's teaching, like Tipitaka, Venerable Ananda. He has a lot of knowledge in the Buddha's teaching, Tipitaka, like this. Then Patipati knowledge, you should also learn how to practice Samatha Vipassana meditation rightly, properly, systematically. Then in this way, what will happen? You will be able to practice systematically, successfully in this way. So having much education or knowledge is also supreme blessings. Then if you don't have much knowledge yet, then if you are lay person's knowledge. If you are ordained person's knowledge. At least the Pariyati and Patipati knowledges. You should try to study. Then you will have many knowledges. Okay, Bahu Sutta. Then there will be supreme blessings. Saipinja, to be proficient at war or to ski in craft. Okay. Seipa, sure. Then if you are a lay person, to have a good livelihood, to have a peaceful life, then you should also try to have, profession at work. You must be skillful in your respective work. Okay, what are you? What do you? like to do in your business. For example, you want to do construction work, you want to be medical doctor, or you want to do some business, then you must be skillful in your respective work. Okay, safe part. Then if you have already learned much, you have much education or knowledge, then you will have respective skill in at work, your respective work. Okay, Bhikkhu also the same way. They should try to understand their work, how to make the rope, how to bake the bowl, even such kinds of thing. Is it? Then how to serve for the teacher, even such kinds of thing. Is it? Then they should try to understand their respective work. There is also supreme blessings. Saika. We need to understand a couple of disciplines, to follow a couple of disciplines. Then Kihi Vinaya. People also have their couple of disciplines. For example, like 5 precepts, is it? They need to follow. They need to maintain 5 precepts. There is a layperson's disciplines. For example, they should try to understand the layperson's disciplines. Bhikkhu also Bhikkhu's Vinaya, Kihi Vinaya, and Agariya Vinaya, and Anagariya Vinaya. Okay? Anagariya Vinaya, Bhikkhu also have their respective disciplines. So they should try to understand and follow. Then there will be supreme blessing. If they break their respective law or Vinaya or disciplines, what will happen? Then they will experience many difficulty or problems. Subha Sita Cha Yavacha, to speak pleasantly, good speech. Okay. You must be skillful in speaking. No? What will happen? To speak pleasantly. Sometimes if I scold, even the students, they get angry at me. Even I also have to speak pleasantly, even towards the students, is it? Should not scold too much. When you speak each other pleasantly, everybody love you, is it? They want to listen while you give any advice. Otherwise, if someone is very rough in speaking, hard speech, etc., then what will happen? No one want to approach this kind of person. That is why they want to go somewhere. Because of some reason, actually don't want to see, don't want to speak such kinds of person. They have such kinds of thing. Then if you have harsh speech or rough speech, then you should try to have pleasant speech. Okay? You should speak pleasantly. Then in this way, many people will love you. Then there will be supreme blessing. Okay, you should change now. If you don't have yet, try to accumulate to have such kinds of mangala in your life. Okay, another one. Mata Pitu Upadhanam Buddha Dharasa Singhawa Anakulasa Kamanda Edam Mingala Mudama. Myanmar, no? Myanmar, Shweta, Miva, Twigo, Kongwa, Sabe, Wachidi, Twede, Chaga, Danemia, Miausa, Chimian, Wokonze, a low down Malay hen, a Piekin, on Lopale, Sizengo, Pe, Puzuye, Myodwe, Dongjebe, Edama, Boda Wada, Gaba, Mengaladwe. Mata Pitu Upadana, to support, to serve one's own parents, looking after one's mothers and father. 12. Buddha Darasa Sangha, to take care of one's spouse, wife, and children. 13. Anagulasa Kamanda, to have an occupation not harmful. Mata Pitu Upadana, you should support your own parents. You should look after your own parents, mothers and father. It is very obvious. Then there is your duty. You have your parents, then you should take care of them, even your whole life. Is it? You have responsibility. That is also supreme blessing. If you don't take care of your parents, then what will happen? Then you don't fulfill your responsibility to complete like this. Okay? Then if you want to have supreme blessing, Mangala, then you should support your parents, you should look after your parents. Number 12, Buddha Darasa Sangha, to take care of one's spouse, to take care of one's wife and children. Buddha Darasa Sangha, if you have wife, sure, you should also take care of your wife. If you have children, you should also look after your children. That is also your responsibility. You have wife and children, you don't care them, then what will happen? Then they will not be happy, even they will disrespect you, etc. Then in this way, what will happen? Both sides will not be good. Then when you take care of your wife and children properly, accordingly, then that you can fulfill your responsibility. That is why, then there will be also supreme blessing. Then later they will ask, then okay, I have wife and husband, I have to take care of them. How I will be able to practice? Huh? Okay, when you are living together with your wife and your children, okay, take care of them. But later, if you wish to practice meditation, no problem, you can ordain. You can get up. That is not, then when you ordain, then practice meditation. Then if they are happy with your practice, then even they can accumulate a lot of kusala, okay? Then another one, Anagulasa Kamanda, to have an occupation not harmful. Okay. Anagulasa Kamanda, when you are doing your business or your duty, etc., then be careful not to make harmful toward the others. You just do any work which is not harmful towards others in this way. Okay, Anagulasa Kamanda. When you do some work, you do properly, you do clearly, step by step, systematically, in this way, okay? And be careful not to make any harmful towards the other. In this way, there will be supreme blessings. Even you are practicing meditation, you say you are practicing meditation, but at the meditation, you are making very noisy, or you do something, you go very strongly. At the time, the other person are what happened? Getting angry at you, with you, it is also not clear. Then be careful not to make any harms toward the others, okay? When you are doing whatever work you do. Okay, there is also supreme blessings. Another one, maybe. Is more, no? Okay, Dhaninja Dhammachiriyaja. Dhaninja Dhammachiriyaja Nyadaganinja Sengaho. Anawejani Kamani Edan Mingala Mudaman. See na? Tongdan Sirana Pyu Sentan Lo Began Wimya Lunainze. Kono Sejan Mamai Mane Tuzrai Diago Jemali. Swimyo Duego Piematane, Piemba Matane, Tenga Diane, Chimiauli, Dancing Piemio Ludu Ajo, Tepo US Houndsy, Eda Ma Boda Wada Gaba Mengaladi. Dhaninja, to be generous. Okay. Then 2025 year, you reflect on yourself, what kinds of dana, generosity that you have done. If you haven't done yet, then you try to do generosity in the new year in this way, is it? Dana. Dana, to be generous, you must be generous as you are Buddha's disciples. Dana also, Dhamma Dana, Amisa Dana. Amisa Dana, you give the four requisites or sentence to someone, especially to the Bhikkhu Sangha, meditators, etc. That will be Amisa Dana. Dhamma Dana, now sharing the Dhammas to others. Even you can share the Dhammas to your friends or your family members, etc. Is it? For example, that is 5 precepts. You can explain Panadipada, what is Panadipada, etc. Then you are sharing the Dhammas to your family member. They don't know how to do Dana, generosity. You can share how to do generosity, etc. In this way, even if you have, if you understand proper practice of meditation, even you can also explain how to practice meditations to your friend or your family member. In this way, sharing the Dhamma is also Dhamma Dana. Sabba Dana, Dhamma Dana, Jinati. Okay, you haven't practiced anything yet, you share how to practice to be a teacher, it is not suitable. Okay? Only just share with the pure mind, it will be great. Then it will be supreme blessing. Another one, Dhammacharya, to practice virtuous conduct. Practice Sucharita, Kaya Sucharita, Vaji Sucharita, Mano Sucharita. Dhammacharya. You can practice the Dhamma properly, is it? Then it will be Dhammacharya. Then another one, Nyadaka Ninja Sangha, to support one's relatives. Okay, you also have responsibilities to support your relatives if they have difficulty or if they encounter many poverty or poorness, etc. Then because of something, because of disease or because of something, they become poor, they have no money to go to the hospital, etc. Then you should also support. They don't have any food to eat, then you should also support if you have ability. Then there is also supreme blessing. Okay? Nyataka Ninsa Sangha. Okay, another one. Dana Piya Vajana Atacharya Samanata. Dana giving sentence to your relatives. Piya Vajana, Piya Vaja, speak gently. Good, sweet speech to them. Atacharya, you should treat them like you yourself, yourself, is it? Samanadada, you should also support them equally like your family member. In this way, then you will have supreme blessing. Nyataka Nesa Sengo. Anawajani Kamani to do blameless deeds. Anawajani Kamani. For example, if you are doing or if you are a layperson, sure you will have to do business for your livelihood. At that time, you just do your business, blameless business. For example, killing living being is not blameless. Okay, it is not blameless work. Taking others' property, what is not given? Many things, many business which is related to akusala. Then they are harmful, not blameless. Then if you are a layperson, you have to do business for your livelihood. Only just find blameless business, etc. Everything, whatever you do, okay? Anagula Sakamanda, to do blameless deed. Then Bhikkhu also the same way. Bhikkhu also the same way. You just do blameless deed, then me don't commit any abati intentionally, etc. Is it? If you commit one of the abati, you should confess accordingly. In this way, there will be anawajani kamani. You are doing blameless deeds. There will be supreme blessings. Okay, another one. 18, no? Arati virati papa meja panaja sayamo abamadoja dhammesu etam mengala mudama. Nyama Magamu re hudamya ko matwe kenga shaunjin leတွေ့ကြုံလာလင်းမလွန်ကျူနဲ့အထုတစ်ဖြင့်စောင့်စည်းနေအရက်သေးစားမတော်စားနဲ့မှောက်မားတတ်တဲ့အရာပဲလောက်ကိုင်းပြောကြတတိထားတရားမမေ့စေအဲ့ဒါမှဗုဒ္ဓဝါဒကပ္ပမင်္ဂလာတွေ Easy to understand for Myanmar, huh? Then later need to translate into English with the poem. Maybe Usura try. Arati virati papa, to abstain from evil thoughts. Abstain, you know, arati papa, virati papa. Arati virati papa. So papa virati, papa arati. You abstain from evil thoughts. You are thinking something, evil thing in your mind. Okay, you should abstain. It is not good for you. So, okay, I am thinking to take others' property. What is not given? I am thinking to make the other harmful, to kill other beings. That is not suitable for me. Then I should not have such kinds of evil thoughts in my mind. Abstain from the evil thoughts. Okay, there will be supreme blessing. Virati Papa. Arati Papa, Virati Papa. 18 and 19 should be like this, no? Virati Papa. To abstain from evil deed or Mecha Panasa, maybe wrongly, no? Sorry, 90 should be to abstain from evil deed and speech. Okay. Since beginning you don't have the evil mind, then you will not speak evil speech, you will not do evil actions. Is it? Yeah. That is why then you should also abstain from evil deed and evil speech, evil bodily actions and evil verbal action. There will be Virati Papa. Arati Papa, Virati Papa. Then another one, Meja Panaja Sayamo, to abstain from intoxicant. Okay, this one, no? Together, 19 and 20 together here around. Meja Panaja Sayamo, to abstain from intoxicants or using the drug. Okay, Meja Panaja Sayamo, many people like the drinking the alcohol, taking the drug. Very, very difficult, no? Why they like this one? Eh? You don't know? Wherever we go,
they are in the bar, they are in the nightclub, they are what KTV, what they are drinking, beer or wine or something. They go to restaurant, not only eating, they are also drinking the alcohol, etc. Why? When they like? I don't understand. Then, okay, abstaining from taking the drug and drinking the alcohol is a supreme blessing. Then, now you are lucky, no? If you are a layperson, very difficult to avoid. Why? Most of the layperson, I ask, okay, when you are living in the monastery, don't drink. They cannot avoid, even they are living in the monastery. Is it? But you are lucky, you are bhikkhu and sialis, you are probably you avoid the taking drug or the drinking the alcohol, etc. Is it? As a layperson, I think very difficult to avoid. Wherever we go, we meet such kinds of persons. Then, if you want to have Mangala supreme blessing, okay, avoid taking drug and drinking the alcohol, wine, etc. Abamadoja Dhammesu, to be mindful and good Dhamma. You know, Abamada, that is a very important. Abamado, Kusalesu Dhammesu, Abamado. Whatever you are doing, good deed, kusala, husan kama, then there's an Abamada sati, mindfulness. If you are doing akusala, no sati. So Abamada means to be mindful in good dhamma. You should be mindful in good dhamma all the time. Then you will have only kusala, dana or sila or bhavana kusala only. No akusala, not so much akusala like this. Is it? Then kusalesu dhammesu avipa vaso, satiya avipa vaso. Then whatever you do, then sati is always there. At that time you will have only kusala. That is why you know, the teacher instructed you to be mindful, to put your mind inside one meditation object all the time. Then you will have only kusala. Otherwise, there will be a lot of akusala. Is it? So, Abamada means to be mindful in good dhamma. If you have Abamada sati, mindfulness is very strong, then you can be successful in meditation. You can attain jhana, megaphala, nibbana even in this year. Is it? Okay. They are also supreme blessings. Go another stanza. Karavoja, nivadoja, sandotija, gadinyuda, kalena, dhammasavana, edam, mingala, muddhamma. Many. Ada gowa kote jiga sika khaza yudele mana dagon go mejwane ko go nincha amyene loba abolo malai ne ko thaita ne jenat le ko bo pyu bu tu jesu athu tida se kaung jo sin pwa myat taya na ja ma pyat pe eda ma Buddha wada kaba mingala dwe. Even very young child, they recite, they understand. That is one very good. Okay? So now, that is also very important. You know, Karavaja, to have reverence, being respectful. Okay? Buddha, Pacheka Buddha, Buddha Savaka, parents, your brother, your sister, your teacher, etc. Karava, you should respect them. Is it? You should revere them. Then there will be supreme blessing. Then in opposites, if you don't respect them, there will be agusala. Is it? Amangala. Okay. You should do those who should be respected, then you should respect, you should revere. Okay? Karava. Nivada, to be humble. Don't be so proud. Don't be so arrogant. Okay, don't be so arrogant. What will happen? Then if you are so arrogant, I don't need to care. You are also human being, I also human being. What happened? You ordain before me, that is why you are seniors to me, I don't need to respect. Like this. Then what will happen? Then so arrogant, they cannot be humble themselves. At that time, you are also ordained person, I also ordained person. If say in this one to do. Then they will be so arrogant. Then it will be amangala. So, okay, I show respect to those who should be respected. Okay, in this way. Then also you should be humble. Like even Venerable Sariputta, no? Very Venerable Sariputta, sometimes when he wear his robe unevenly, at that time wear very young Samanera Bande, you are wearing your robe unevenly, it is not suitable. The other time Venerable Sariputta didn't say anything. He goes somewhere and wear his robe properly, evenly. At that time, oh teacher, please check I am wearing properly or not. At that time, okay, now okay. He is very humble, like this. Even we don't have such kinds of humble, but Venerable Sariputta is very humble, like this. Okay? For example, okay, meditate in meditation hall regularly according to the timetable. We request you, okay? Forever. Although we say in this way, we encourage in this way. Don't care. Is it? Then he don't know. He does not know. Only he just talking here. Something like this. Okay, be careful not to be arrogant. You should be humble. There will be supreme blessing. Another one, Sandok teacher, to be content, to be satisfied with whatever you received. Okay. Don't follow lovers, greed, desire. Okay? Will never be fulfilled. Then whatever requests you have, you should be satisfied. Okay? We have this cancer rope only, okay, no problem. Go or bad, we will use this rope only. We have such kinds of food, only good or bad today, no problem. We will have without any complaint. In this way, you should be satisfied. Those four requests are not important. Meditation improvement is more important in our life. If meditation is improvement in daily life, others are not good in my life, no problem. Then with this mind you should stay in the monastery. There will be supreme blessing. Then you will be successful in meditation one day. Okay? Then another one. Sandok teacher, continue to be grateful. To be grateful. You have, someone help you with something, then you have some gratitude. Then you should be grateful to such kinds of person. For those who help you, who teach you, who support you. For example, you are living in this monastery without any worry. Why? Pauseroji, is it? Pauseroji, teacher, Sangha, because of their Sila Samadhi Penya. Then devotee, Upasaka, Upasika also support with the four requests. So, you should, they are very grateful to you, is it? They are very helpful for you. That is why you should understand their gratitude. That is also supreme blessings. Okay. Another one. Continue to be grateful. Kalena Dhamma Savana. To hear the Dhamma at the right time. Listening to the Dhamma at the suitable times. Suitable times. Kalena Dhamma Savana. Yeah. Kalena Dhamma Savana. You don't need to listen to the Dhamma all the time. The whole day. Only Dhamma time. Okay? You should listen to the Dhamma. Now I am giving the Dhamma talk. Actually for you, for example, once a week or twice a week only. But even only once a week or twice a week, they don't want to listen, they left early. And so sincerely, some yogi left already. Then it will be Amangala. So if you want to have Mangala, supreme blessing, you should listen to the Dhamma at the suitable time, right time, from time to times. During the Buddha time, even Arahanta Mathera, they have some Dhamma listening. Okay, if they are skillful in Abhidhamma, they ask Abhidhamma teacher to listen to Abhidhamma talk like this. Vinaya talk in this way. They want to listen. So if you are listening to the Dhamma at the right time, then there will be supreme blessing. Okay, another one. Go. Let it be quickly. Khandisa Sawachasada Samananisa Dasana Kalena Damasa Gecha Istam Mangala Mutaman Sawa Neta Yankate Seiko Chotain Dikhanli Chu Chang Pia Nyon Soma Sagago Pioja Laga Nalwezi Tu Mia Boko Udem Yago Majakana Twe Sole Tabawa Twe Mankanye Swinwe Mabiape Eda Ma Boda Wada Gaba Mengalade Khandija to have patience, Khandi. In daily life, you will have many difficulties. You must be patient. Sometimes you like, sometimes you don't like. You must be patient. Okay? Khandi. For example, you like this kinds of food, but they arrange only this food today. It is impossible. Whatever food I like, I will get whatever food I like. You just reflect in this way and be patient. Is it? For example, I don't want to go to meditation or to meditate. But I am living in meditation center. It is not suitable for me to be lazy. I should go there according to monastery rule and regulation. Teacher's instruction. They go. Be patient. Don't follow your mind's desire. Okay? Only just follow proper way. Monastery schedule, teacher's instruction, etc. Okay? Be patient. Many things. Khandi is very important. Khandi, sometimes only like, for example, someone speak harshly towards you, you don't like. Sometimes you must be patient, only just ignore. You just stay with your Dhamma only. Sometimes you may also experience good things without falling into attachment or without getting angry. Regarding such kinds of experiences, you just be patient. Okay? In this way, like Upakha. Then Upakha, like sometimes ignore without having attachment, without getting angry with something. In this way, you will have supreme blessing. Khandisa Sawachasada, to be docile, to be obedient. That is also supreme blessing. Okay, Sawachasada, if teacher or the respected person, responsible person advise you, you should be obedient. You should listen to their instruction in this way, okay? Sawachasada is also very important. When you are living in the meditation center. Samana Nisa Dasana, to see monks and holy person. You know, Samana Nisa Dasana, you are actually very lucky to see such kinds of, monk in the monastery. When you are living in, for example, Euro country or some country where there's no bhikkhu, no monks, then very difficult. You can meet with the monk, but they are do sila, no sila, how to do. When you see the monk, and like for example, moral monk means who have morality. If they are like noble person, it will be great. When you see one time, your eye will not affect for 1,000 lives there. 1,000 lives. Is it? If you want to have good eyes, just pay homage to the Bhikkhu Sangha. Bhikkhu Sangha, you don't need to go to the eyes clinic many times, okay? Samana Nisa Dasana. That is why. Sometimes I also went to the like Euro country or some country where there's no monk. Then okay, if they see monk, then they may have a kind of kusala for the future potentiality. Is it for future? Or like for example, Ubaka, he met the Buddha on the way to the Buddha Gaya. At that time, what is your name? I am Ananda Jina. At that time, okay. Then he didn't care, no, he just go there. But later when he quarreled with his wife, Chawa, at that time he remember, I met my friend, Ananda Jina. He met the Buddha, no, before, that is why he went to the Buddha. Then he was lucky, he became Anagami at that time. Like that. That is why to see monk or holy person is also supreme blessing. Okay, you try to see, you try to meet with the holy person. That will be also supreme blessing. Another one, Kalena Dhammasavana. To discuss the Dhamma at the right times. Okay, now we are having the Dhamma discussion only from time to time, not all the time, is it? For example, 1 or twice a week only, Dhamma talk time. Interview also not every time, only maybe 2 or 3 times a week only. But for you, although I am having interview every day, but for you sometimes only 1 time. Maybe some come 3 times at most, is it? In a week. Most of them come only once a week. But some even they don't come for 1 month, 1 time they don't come. Then to discuss that in the Dhamma, okay, it will be Mangala or not. Then if you don't have Mangala yet, try to have Mangala, okay? You should discuss the Dhamma at the proper times. There will be supreme blessings. Okay, another one. Tapoja Brahmacharyanja Ariya Sajana Dasana Nibbana Sajikriyaja Etam Mangala Muddama Loki Ayo Zenye Mulo Byomajune Chochanle Meda Byamazo Lakandolo Tumia Chentong Yumadwe Leba Desa Nyamien Jilo Amandi Aung Josale Dukha Loken Nibbana Chen Alem Paunaize Edama Buddha Wada Gaba Mangala Dwe. Another stanzas. Tapoja, to be restrained, not to waste. Tapoja, no? Then to be restrained, not to waste. Austere like for Bhikkhu Dhutanga practice is very good practice. In the same way, you should be restrained. You want something. Is it? Although you have many things, but okay, you wear only such kinds of robe. you don't find many rope or very good special rope, etc. Although you have a lot of food, but you have only suitable food, etc. Try not to waste many things. Is it? Tapoja, Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya here to live with the noble practice. Brahmacharya is when you are practicing the noble eightfold paths. Metta, Karuna, Mudita, Metta, Karuna, Mudita, Upekha, okay? They are also Vihara, Brahmacharya, okay? Especially Magga Brahmacharya, you are practicing the noble eightfold paths. Then there will be supreme blessing. Another one. Ariya Ninja Dasana to Ariya Sejana Dasana to understand the Four Noble Truth. You know, when you practice Brahmacharya Noble Eightfold Path, then you can penetrate the Four Noble Truth. Ariya Sejana Dasana to understand the Four Noble Truth, there is also supreme blessing. Nibbana Sijikriyaja to attain, to realize Nibbana with Arada past knowledge. Then me penetrating the Four Noble Truth even with the Sotapatti Megaphala, Anagai Megaphala, etc. But Nibbana Sijikriya refers to the highest attainment with the Arada Phala. There will be supreme blessing. Slowly, no? You Nibbana Sijikriya, okay? When you realize Nibbana with the Arada Phala Jnana, then you have highest attainment, supreme blessing, highest blessings. Then what will happen? Another one, go. Senya Chanda Dabawa, Twitchong Nija, Ludaimbe, Council Nadan Asong Duelo, Telezile, Amieni, Logaran Joe Mapion Dampo, Madonlo Sane, say Kainzi. Toga go te remete in Chandani Edama Buddha Wada Gaba Mingala Dwe Podasa Loga Dame Jaitan Yasa Nagambati to be unaffected by worldly condition. Okay. You know, when you become Arahanta, although you are experiencing the worldly condition, Loga Dhamma, Labo, Alabo, Yaso, Ayaso, Ninda, Pasansa, Sukha, Dukkha, your mind will not be shaken. They are unaffected by, or Arahanta mind is unaffected by the worldly condition, Loga Dhamma, not shaken like the other person. For example, Anagami, Arahanta, no, good worldly condition, you know, good and bad worldly condition. Because of worldly condition, their mind are not shaken. Even Anagami, when they experience, you know, good worldly condition, he may have something a little bit shaken. For example, they may have attachment to jhana attainment, abhinyana attainment like this. But they don't have anger. That is why with a bad worldly condition, no problem. Sotapanna Sakadagami, they still have lobha, they still have dosa. That is why their mind can be shaken because of worldly condition. A little bit. But when they experience worldly condition, when they reflect on that, they are changeable, they are impermanent, something like this. Anicca, dukkha, anatta, then they can be patient with the worldly condition. Pudojana also, whether it depends on their dhamma, whether they have dhamma or no dhamma. If they don't have the dhamma, they experience the worldly condition. What will happen? Their mind is shaken. When they obtain something, they have too much attachment. When they experience, like for example, alabha, no gain, but ninda, blames from others, etc. Dukkha, suffering. Then also the bad reputation, etc. Then what will happen? Their mind is shaken. bad worldly condition and good worldly condition, they cannot be patient with any condition, worldly condition. Their mind is shaken. Okay? But the good person with the Dharma, although they are Pudojana, they can be patient a little bit. Compared to noble person, their mind is also still shaking. So here, Arahanta, their mind Pudasa, Loka, Dhammi, Chaitanyakta, Nakambati, to be unaffected by any worldly condition for Arahanta. That is why it is a supreme blessing. Okay? They are fighting each other. They have a lot of good things, business, no problem. Arahanta mind is the same. Not shaken. Okay? Pudasa, Loka, Dhammi, Satan, Yasa, Nakambati. Asokan, if they Asokan, no worry, to be free from sorrow, they don't have any sorrow, any soka, sadness in their mind. Virajan, to be free from defilement, no lova, no dosa, no moha in their mind. That is also supreme blessing. Keman, they had lasting peace and security. Okay, they already reached up to the highest level of a safe place. Is it? Then will never experience suffering in the future. Their mind will not be shaken because of suffering experience usually because of defilement. Is it? Okay. Then altogether 38 kinds of blessings, supreme blessings. Another one. 37ပြားမင်္ဂလာကုံကိုလိုက်နာကျင့်သုံးဗန္သူတွေစီးပွားချမ်းသာจิตတရေတူလို့ကောင်းကျိုးစီပွင့်တဝေဝေဘေးရန်ကင်းကွာจิตသူပေါ်လို့စိတ်ရောကိုယ်ရောချမ်းသာမလေးပြောဆိုကြံစဆောင်သမျှအောင်ရမည်ဂိမ်းသေးအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ပန်ကြဆင်ကြမင်္ဂလာပန်းခိုင်တွေ If you wish to be successful in anything, especially in the Dhamma, then you should try to follow the 38 kinds of Mangala blessings taught by the Buddha. For example, beginning from Asivanaja Balana Pandita Nisha Sivana. You don't associate with the food, you associate with the wise only. You respect those who are worthy of respect, etc. Follow step by step systematically. Finally, for example, you practice Brahmacharya, Noble Eightfold Paths. Then you attain, you can realize, you can penetrate the Four Noble Truths, even you can become Arahanta in this present life. Then, sure, then Pudasa, Loka, Dhammi, etc. Then you will be able to be patient with the worldly condition also. In this way, you will reach up to the highest safe place, Khema place. Altogether, 38 kinds of Mangala. Is it? Then what will happen? You will not have any danger. Then you will have a lot of many people dear to you. Then you will be able to experience many happiness, sukhas in your present life. Then whatever you think or whatever you do will be successful. You want to attain Megaphala Nibbana in this present life will be successful. Just follow 38 kinds of Mangala. Okay? Now they are having problem in the world. They are not following the 38 kinds of Mangala. Okay? That is why although they are having such kinds of problem, here, another one. 38ပြားမင်္ဂလာတရားတို့ပြည့်ပြားနေကြတပါးမည် You know, in the world, you see, you can count 1, 2, 3. How many people are following the 38 kinds of Mangala in the world? Is it? Not so many. So, they are losing the 38 kinds of Mangala in the world. They are having war between country to country. They are competing their nuclear weapons. Which weapon is more powerful, etc. Then they are killing many living beings, many human beings, each other. You know, during the war, many people already died because of no Mangala in their country. 38ဖြာမင်္ဂလာတရားရေးသားဖြန့်ကားဝေးအဖို့တန်နဲ့ဗုဒ္ဓဝါဒကဘာကတိပါစေဟော you know the Dagon Uthomin he composed this 38 kinds of mangala with the poem verse yeah very easy to remember and understand then if they understand the 38 kinds of mangala they are also blessings for everybody they are also very beneficial for all beings in the world then then the Buddha encouraged you to practice the 38 kinds of mangala to follow the 38 kinds of mangala to accumulate to have the 38 kinds of blessing then at the times then sure you will not be killing each other you will not be fighting each other you will not experience any suffering although you experience worldly condition your mind will not be shaken like the other person although they are those who don't have 38 kinds of mangala they will be fighting each other they will be killing each other but it is their problem no problem but because of your power you can also help them not to kill each other or to have to fulfill the 38 kinds of mangala then when they can fulfill when they can fulfill the 38 kinds of mangala okay they will not be fighting each other there will not be having war in the world okay in the new year 2026 may you be able to have the 38 kinds of mangala in the world may the 38 kinds of mangala will be bright in the world may the 38 kinds of mangala brilliant in the world beginning from today up to the future then I hope you will be able to fulfill the 38 kinds of mangala until you become arahanta sadhu 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 okay that is the dhamma gift for 2026 new year repeat after me to share your merits to all beings idame punya asawa khaya waha hotu idame punya nibbana sa pachayo hotu mama punya bhagan sabba sadhana bhajemi te sabbe me sama punya bhagan labandu sadhu 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 sukhi hotu nibbana sabbace hotu sadhu sadhu numodami sadhu numoditavam khamami khamitavam sukhi hotu nibbana sabbace hotu